Hey guys, Aniket here. I can see a lot of people have issues with police clearance certificate process. PCC can be used for job, visa or immigration. Today, I will break it down whole process for India, whether you are inside or outside this country. And we'll also share some general tips for other countries. So let's get started. A police clearance certificate is an official document proving you have no criminal record. It's often required for jobs abroad, visa applications, immigration, work permit, and residency. Different countries have different processes, but today we will focus on India, the most requested one. If you are applying for student visa, follow these steps. If you are in India, the fastest way to get PCC is from Passport Seva Kendra. And here is how. Step 1. Register on Passport Seva portal. Link is in the description below. Step 2. Log in and click Apply for Police Clearance Certificate. Step 3. Fill the form and submit. Step 4. Pay 500 rupees online by credit or debit card or by using net banking. Book an appointment at Passport Seva Kendra. Visit Passport Seva Kendra with original documents. To track status online, select application type as passport, PCC, IC or GEP. Enter your date of birth. Here you can take a screenshot of screen for the process. Usually it takes 1 to 7 days to get your PCC, but sometimes it might take even longer. So I would suggest to do this process earlier. If you are living outside India, you should follow these steps. You must apply via Indian Embassy or Consulate. Step 1. Visit Passport Seva Kendra at Indian Embassies and Consulates website. Website is in the description. Select the region, country from where you wish to apply for PCC. Now, a new tab of Passport Seva website will be opened. Click Register. Fill the required details. Log in with registered login ID and password on user login link. In the applicant homepage, click on Police Clearance Certificate link to file a new application. After successful submission, take a printout of online submitted form. This will generate an ARN, that is application reference number, and PDF file. Visit the respective application processing center, embassy or consulate along with the required supporting documents. For the list of application submission center, visit the respective website of Indian Embassy, Consulate or outsourced service provider by clicking on link embassy/consulate. Select the country and enter the characters. Click on go. Now you can see a contact details of embassy or consulate. Print the filled application form and submit in person at the respective embassy, consulate of India along with the following documents. Duly fill in and sign in PCC application form. Applicants valid passport in original and self-attested photocopy pages containing personal particulars of the applicant. For the Indian passport holders, self-attested photocopy of passport pages containing valid work permit or residence permit card. Passport size color photograph. For Indians residing outside India, on average, it takes around 30 working days from the date of submission of the application to receive a response. In case a clear police report is available in the system, PCC will be issued within 2 working days. Following your visit to embassy or consulate, follow the below steps to track the police clearance certificate status accordingly. Visit the Passport Seva at Indian Embassies and Consulate website and select the country from where you have applied for PCC. A new tab of Passport Seva website will be opened. Click on Track Status. Enter the application reference number. Enter the date of birth followed by CAPTCHA. Finally, click on Track Application Status to track status seamlessly. Non-Indians in India should apply for FRRO portal. No need to visit the office. Step 1. Apply on FRRO. Submit documents and pay fees. Every country has its own PCC process. You will need PCC for work visas, student visas, job applications, especially abroad, long-term residency permit. Some countries require a fresh PCC, which means in the time frame of 6 months. So check the expiry rule. Quick tips before you go. Apply early. PCC can take weeks. Keep digital and physical copies. Check embassy update in case of any rule change. And that's it for now. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic and university deadline. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.